Ready to deliver outstanding work and complete your Fiverr orders like a pro? In this video, I'll walk you through the complete order completion process to ensure satisfied clients and positive reviews. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Properly completing orders is crucial for maintaining your seller reputation and ensuring smooth transactions. A professional delivery process leads to happy clients and repeat business. Let me show you the step-by-step process. First, ensure all work is thoroughly reviewed before delivery. Double-check that you've met all requirements specified in the order and that the quality matches your standards. This is your final quality control step. Navigate to the order page and click the Deliver Now button when you're ready to submit the completed work. This opens the delivery interface where you'll attach files and write your delivery message. Upload all required files and provide clear instructions for the client. If you're delivering multiple files, organize them logically and consider creating a README file if needed. Make sure all file formats are accessible to the client. Write a professional delivery message that summarizes what you've delivered, includes any usage instructions, and politely asks for feedback. This is also where you can mention any gig extras or future services that might interest the client. A crucial pro tip: always deliver slightly before the deadline to maintain a good on-time delivery record. Use the Mark as Complete option only when you're absolutely certain everything is perfect. Consider including a small unexpected bonus or thank you note to exceed client expectations and encourage positive reviews. And just like that, you've mastered the professional order completion process. Proper delivery ensures client satisfaction and builds your reputation as a reliable seller. If this guide helps you complete orders more effectively, please give it a like. What's your signature touch when delivering Fiverr orders? Share your unique delivery strategies in the comments below. To continue perfecting your workflow, subscribe for our next video on how to deliver final files on Fiverr. Thanks for watching.